Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. Today we are making homemade yogurt. It's creamy, simple and so easy to follow. So let's get started. Pour some evaporated milk into a sterilized glass bowl. Next, add some hot water. All the measurements will be in the description box below, so do well to check them out. Give it a good stir. Then, leave it to cool until you can comfortably dip your pinky in the milk. Once it's warm enough, we will add our yogurt starter. This is the yogurt starter I'll be using. Please make sure it contains the live active culture. Give it a good stir. Cover it with a cling film. Then wrap it in a napkin or a towel. Store it in a warm place undisturbed for about 8 to 20 hours. So this is a tip. If your yogurt hasn't set after 8 hours, you can place it in a warm water bath and let it sit a little longer. After 20 hours, our yogurt is ready. I placed it in the fridge for a couple of hours. So I paired mine with some granola and it was so yummy. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this yogurt recipe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments too. If you enjoyed this recipe, then check out the yogurt and granola playlist next. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.